Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make paper ramen step by step. It's a fun DIY project, so let's get started. So first I took 2 sheets of paper just like making ramen. I create my drawing in my own style, like Dominier and bowls of ramen. It's up to you, what kind of noodles would you like to make? The sketching is complete. Now I'm going to start coloring. The length of this drawing is 10 cm and the breadth is 5 cm. I'm using a red alcohol marker for coloring. I have finished my color work and it feels so satisfying to see the completed. So next I'm going to cover the paper with the tape. You just need to fold it along. Just repeat it exactly the same, okay friends? After that, you just need to cut it according to the paper pattern, okay? Once you have cut everything, now it's time for us to assemble it. Then the top part can simply be closed using clear tape or adhesive tape. I made it already and it's ready. Now let's head to the next destination to make the next one. So now I'm talking the black color to add color. It's for making the seasoning. Okay, done. Let's not talk too much. Look, I made 2 packets, one of seasoning and one of sauce. This time I'll make the seasoning. Alright, let's make the seasoning oil. First, I took some water and mixed orange and red colors in it to make the base. I'm putting the water into the plastic now because if it's too much, I'm afraid it will leak and slip out. If you're worried about it leaking, just double layer the plastic like. And this is the Indomie seasoning. Okay, now I'm taking some wool to make the noodle just like that. You can make them using paper as well or with a carrying bag. Except don't forget to add the bulldog and the food. Let's just put in the packaging. Repeat this process again the way I said. Don't forget about the Indomie and the food. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.